If you like making money while you sleep, then you're in the right spot. Pay attention because we're gonna break down a few simple rules that you can use right now to successfully brand your small business. Welcome to Rich Liberation, where we help you turn your dreams into your reality. Ultimately, we help you create the financial freedom that you need to live your best life. All right, with that being said, let's dive in and let me teach you 3 simple rules of branding. Number 1, your brand is a promise that must be reinforced every time people come in contact with any facet of your business. Number 2, your brand must accurately reflect the core beliefs of your organization, your leadership, and all who deliver your brand experience to your consumers and potential clients. Remember, you're trying to build a business that scales and grows. You're trying to create a revenue stream that's going to fund your desired lifestyle. Next, we've got our 3rd rule of branding, and that is consistency builds brands. Remember, consistency is the key to your business's success. So every encounter with your brand, whether it's with your staff, your products, your services, your website, your marketing communications, any news coverage or social media, or any other form of brand encounter or experience, must consistently convey your brand promise and contribute to your desired brand identity. There you have it. That is the 3 rules of branding. Follow these rules precisely and implement today. Take action, because simply dreaming or wanting something is not going to make your dreams your reality. We will give you the goods. We will educate you here at Rich Liberation, but it's up to you to take that knowledge and implement it. And you've got to do it over and over, day after day, week after week, month after month, until you achieve your desired results. And as always, if you found value in today's video, if you like making money while you sleep, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss our upcoming educational videos, and share this video with people that you love and care about. Until next time, stay rich, stay liberated.